Zucchini are a type of summer squash from the species Cucurbita pepo, which also include pumpkins and other squashes. They are part of the wider cucurbit family, which also includes cucumbers and melons. Originating in Central America, squashes are considered some of the oldest domesticated plants, with some archaeological evidence suggesting that they have been cultivated by Native Americans up to 10,000 years ago. During the Columbian Exchange, squash seeds were spread throughout the world, along with other New World crops such as peppers, corn, tomatoes, and potatoes. The squash that we know now as zucchini were actually created in northern Italy several centuries later. It did not become a popular garden crop in the United States until the mid-1900s, when the seeds were brought back to the US by Italian immigrants. Zucchini are considered a summer squash, which means that they are eaten immaturely. They are grown throughout much of the US as an annual garden crop. California is the biggest squash producer in the United States, followed by Florida. Planted in the spring, after the chance of frost is past, they quickly sprout and begin to flower. Squash produce both a male and female flower at the base of the plant, which requires bee pollination to produce fruit. Once pollinated, a small squash will begin to develop at the female flower. The plants can produce squash within 60 days of planting and have a reputation for being prolific. Removing the edible flowers can help reduce the harvest if you have too many. Thank you for listening to my short presentation on zucchini, and if you would like to know more about this crop or any others, contact your local extension office.